So the customer just picked up his SS1LE. Gave us some little snacks.
Never seen this before. Zero sugar?
Yeah, I haven't seen that brand either. You need to break it open. Give it a try.
Let's get it going.
A lot of taste tests here.
See if I can do this without destroying this. That's good.
Oh, that is good. That's very good. Thank you.
I like it when it's tender.
Holy shit.
Guy named Taking Mufflers.
Okay. Jump clean. Oh yeah. 2022. Real clean.
Low mileage on it.
I didn't even look. The front's all rock chipped and dented up, so I don't know. Definitely drives it.
It's just getting crooks in a rotofab, right?
And flex fuel.
Okay. What did this thing have on it? Like the GM Performance one or something?
Yeah. Was it your idea or Eric's idea for you to get a jet ski?
It was Eric's.
I told you what happened.
Yeah, he was talking about how when he was, in his younger days, he had a little truck.
To get one. He's like, yesterday he's like, I can't stop thinking about what you were saying, how you had a jet ski.
Because he's talking about like having a cheap little truck and a jet ski.
And that's I just told him.
And I was like, I think that'd kind of be a cool idea.
Fucking saying it was my idea, faggot. I was just telling him what happened to me.
He was trying to influence me, man.
That's what it sounds like.
I think if I got rid of my car, it's not a bad idea. Get a cheap little truck. A jet ski.
All right, 2022 Camaro. Garrett's not here today, so I'm gonna be running in and out, turning the camera on. This thing just got Cook's headers with cats, a rotofab, and a flex fuel setup. This thing baseline 439, so I just pulled it up and checked. First pull, let's see what she does. $457, $467. I'm gonna add a little bit of fuel to it. This thing is getting flex fuel also, so let me actually see how much gas is in this thing. I think a half tank, so my guess is we'll probably only be able to get it up to 40-something%. I don't feel like changing the camera either because I'm not getting out every 15 seconds. $461, $470. Actually went a little fatter than I thought it would go too. I'll fix that though. $466, $471. Watching some video on Instagram, I guess this dude like sexually assaulted this dude's wife at work, and he just fucking, dude's like jacked, he just walks up on stage and fucking smacks the dude. Oh, I love shit like that. And then someone in the crowd's like, security, and the dude for one is jacked, And he just yells, he's like, I don't give a fuck about security. Which, in that situation, he's right. There ain't no fucking security guard that's gonna stop him from doing what needs to be done. That's great. I love that shit. Same thing, 465, 470. I'm gonna grab some meat for this thing. All right, we got 33% E in it. Let's see what we got. It's got like 3/4 of a tank, so we'll be able to get it up a little higher. I'll put another 5 gallons in. That was 5 that I just put in, so. 479, 485. Took a little fuel out of it, added a little timing. Let's see what we got. After this pull, I'll dump more E in it, and then I'll let it cool. See if we can get it up to like, I don't know, 50%. If I can fit another 5 gallons, which I should be able to, I should be able to get 50%. 486. I'm gonna get another 5 gallons and I'll be back. All right, let it cool down for a while. Just doing some other shit. Basically probably be like final 2 pulls on this thing. 46% E in it, as much as I could get it up to. I filled the tank. That's all we got. So. 484, 494. Do one more. Still maybe a little cold, but. $487, $495. I'm actually going to maybe make one more pull. Hopefully that camera stays running the whole time, because it's all the way over there and I'm not getting out to stop and start it again. All right, last pull. If it makes more, it makes more. If not, it doesn't. Let's see. Thing 487, 496 torque. Pretty stout for a bolt-on car. I don't remember what it baselined again, so we'll put how much it picked up right here. Later.
Eric, this one's freaking super fast, isn't it? This is only like 2K miles.
Yeah. The 2022, so
getting a good bit done to it.
Just new. It's getting pretty much, you know, every. Hold on.
The full.
I guess what are the fucking stages on these fucking things? I'm more the Corvette guy.
Yeah.
It's getting heads, cam, headers, rotofab, MSD, valve covers.
Okay. Stage 3.
So yeah, we got stage 3. The works for the bolt ons.
Full NA build.
Yep. Flex fuel as well.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Getting flex fuel as well. Here comes that fucking millennial you were talking about.
Yeah.
You gonna tell him or what?
I was standing behind him with the camera talking shit. He just couldn't hear me.
You're a fucking millennial wearing those AirPods, you know that?
Huh?
Yeah, so good you can't even hear anybody talk. Alright, new cam in. Now how's this one related? Because fucking I know you got fucking sisters, aunts, cousins, brothers. There she is.
How old's that?
How long have I been working on cars? Since I was 15. 20 years old probably, I've had it.
Oh man.
I mean, because I've been working 35 now, so.
Almost as old as me.
I'd say it's probably 15 years old. So I went from this right here. It used it a lot, and then I had this, which was obviously you can see I used the shit out of this thing.
Yeah.
Still works, but I just haven't charged it or used it in a while. And then I got the 1/4-inch one, which is smaller than this. That thing was badass. You could break anything free with it by just like cracking it and then going. Dude, some people are religious and oil their tools every day, which they say you should. But I oil mine once a year, if that. How often do you oil your tools, Kyle?
Usually like once a week, once every 2 weeks, something like that.
Jesus.
Oh man, it's a car.
Yeah, see, I told you there's people like that.
Well, I mean, other than up to a couple years ago, I never did it. Ever. It's oil daily.
I do mine once every year or two.
I think I said before. I mean, I've made a point to start doing it because I got some new ones. But